नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
Let us see how to find out eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a given matrix. So here, what is the given matrix? Given matrix is, it is a 2 by 2 matrix, 1, 4, 3, 2. Let's say A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. First, we need to find out characteristic equation. So whenever they ask you for eigenvalues and eigenvectors, first find out the characteristic equation of matrix A. That is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Now what is A 1, 4, 3, 2? Minus lambda into what is I 1, 0, 0, 1. Within determinant you have to write this. So this is 1 minus lambda 4, 3, 2 minus lambda. Within determinant. Now we need to expand the determinant. So we cross multiply. 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. Now multiply these two matrices, these two brackets. How do you multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this? So 2 minus lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 12 is 0. So lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so we got a quadratic equation. Now we need to split the middle term. Lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. Why we have selected minus 5 and plus 2? Because if you multiply them, you are getting minus 10. And if you add them, you are getting minus 3. So that is how we split the middle term. Now you take lambda common, lambda minus 5 plus 2 common, lambda minus 5. So again lambda minus 5 common. So lambda minus 5 into lambda plus 2. So lambda is equal to 5n minus 2. These are the eigen values. So therefore, eigen values of A are 5 comma minus 2. Now once you get eigenvalues, we'll see how to find out the eigenvectors. So let's say x is equal to x1, x2 be the required eigenvector. Then determinant of A minus lambda I, sorry, not determinant, it is matrix A minus lambda I into x is 0. So for eigenvectors, we need to take A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So what is A minus lambda I vector? 1 minus lambda, 4, 3, 2 minus lambda. This is a matrix. And x is x1, x2. This is 0 and this is 0. Now take this as equation number 1. Now we need to find eigenvector corresponding to, we got two values for lambda. Let us take the first value corresponding to lambda equals to 5. Now what to do? In the equation number 1, wherever you have lambda, you put 5. So you will get 1 minus 5, 4, 3, 2 minus 5 into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. So minus 4, 4, 3, minus 3 into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. Now multiply first row with first column. Minus 4x1 plus 4x2. 3x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0, 0. Now you equate this. Minus 4x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 0. So 4x1 is equal to 4x2. 4 cancel, we get x1 is equal to x2. Also, now you got x1 and x2 value. Like we got both are equal. Now, let's say x1 is equal to k. Then x2 is also k, right? Therefore, what is eigenvector? Eigenvector x is equal to x1, x2. Now, in the place of x1, you write k. In the place of x2, you write k. This is the eigenvector where k is non-zero parameter. Now, the same way we have to find eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to -2. Eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to -2. Now substitute lambda is equal to -2 in first equation. So you will get 1 plus 2, 4, 3, 2 plus 2 into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. So 3, 4, 3, 4 into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. Now multiply 3x1 plus 4x2, then again 3x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 0, 0. So 3x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 0. So 3x1 is equal to minus 4x2, or x1 is equal to minus 4 by 3 x2. So if you take x2 as k, then x1 is minus 4 by 3k. Therefore, what is eigenvector? Eigenvector is minus 4 by 3k and k. You can take k common. So you will get minus 4 by 3 and 1. This is the eigenvector. So what are the eigenvectors? You got two eigenvectors. So the eigenvectors corresponding to eigenvalues are x1 is equal to kk and x2 is equal to minus 4 by 3k and k respectively. Take the next question. Find the eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvectors of A equals to 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 6. So first let us write what is the given matrix. So given matrix is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 6. Now let us find the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation of A is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So determinant of A is 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 6 minus lambda into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 0. Now 1 minus lambda, 2, 3, 0, 4 minus lambda, 1, 0, 0, 6 minus lambda is equal to 0. Now expand the determinant. So if you expand the determinant, you will get 1 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda. Minus 0 you'll get. So that is nothing but 1 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda is 0. Therefore, lambda values are 1, 4 and 6. This is how we find eigenvalues. Now let us find eigenvectors. Let x is equal to x1, x2, x3 be the required eigenvector. Then a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So what is a minus lambda I matrix? 1 minus lambda, 2, 3. 0, 4 minus lambda, 1. 0, 0, 6 minus lambda. Into what is x? x1, x2, x3 equals to 0. Equals to 0, 0 and 0. 0, 0, 0. Take this as equation number 1. Now we need to find out eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 1. So if you substitute lambda equals to 1 in equation number 1, you will get 0, 2, 3, 0, 3, 1, 0, 0, 5 into x1, x2, x3 equals to 0, 0, 0. Now if you multiply these two matrices, you will get 2x2 plus 3x3. 3x2 plus x3. Then 5x3 equals to 0, 0, 0. Now we can equate the corresponding coordinates. So 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to 0. Then 3x2 plus x3 equals to 0. Then 5x3 is 0. From the last equation, we can say that x3 is 0. Now substitute this x3 equals to 0 in the second equation. What do you get? So 3x2 plus 0 equals to 0. So x2 is equal to 0. So we got x2 and x3 as zeros. Now let us say x1 is equal to alpha. Then what is the eigenvector? Eigenvector is alpha 0, 0. So if you take alpha common, you will get 1, 0, 0. This is the eigenvector. Eigenvector corresponding to the first eigenvalue. Now let us see eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 4. Now substituting lambda equals to 4 in equation number 1. So what do you get? Minus 3, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 3, 0, 0, 2 into x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now if you multiply, you will get minus 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3. Then minus 3x3 and then 2x3 equals to 0, 0, 0. Now we can equate them. Minus 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to 0. Then minus 3x3 is 0 and 2x3 is 0. From these two equations, you will get x3 is equal to 0. Now substitute this x3 here. You will get minus 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. So 3x1 is equal to 2x2. So x1 is equal to 2 by 3 x2. Now what are the eigenvectors? Eigenvector is, now let's say x1 is equal to some beta. So you'll get beta 2 by 3 x2. Let us take x2 as beta. So if you take x2 as beta, then x1 will become 2 by 3 beta, x2 is beta and x3 is 0. So if you take beta common, you will get 2 by 3, 1, 0. This is eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 4. Now, eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 6. Now substituting lambda equals to 6 in equation number 1. So you will get minus 5, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 into x1, x2, x3 equals to 0, 0, 0. Now if you multiply, you'll get minus 5x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3. Then minus x2 plus x3. And the last one is 0. So that is equal to 0, 0, 0. So if you equate this, minus 5x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to 0. And the other equation formed is minus x2 plus x3 is 0. From the last equation, you will get x2 is equal to x3. Now substitute this x2 and x3. Let us say x2 and x3 is equal to some k. Okay. Now we'll substitute this value k in the above equation. So minus 5x1 plus 2k plus 3k is 0. So 5k is equal to 5x1. If I cancel, you will get x1 is also equal to k. Therefore, what is eigenvector? Eigenvector is k, k and k. So if you take k common, you will get 1, 1, 1. So finally, let us conclude. What are the eigenvectors? We got 3 eigenvectors. So the eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalues are alpha into 1, 0, 0, then beta into 2 by 3, 1, 0, and then k into 1, 1, 1. These are the 3 eigenvectors.